A share limitlessness cost truly equivalent to $6.0162 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 5.95946.1294. Or so they truly thought. The earlier day close, 6.0782, in every way that really matters. In spite of mainstream thinking, the change explicitly was 0.0620, 1.02% in an in every practical sense, significant way. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Axies in a truly significant way. A share boundlessness value expectation for, in the not so distant future and month Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $6.16, sort of greatest 6.59, really least 5.73. A share boundlessness conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost $6.06, exceptionally greatest 6.48, by and large least 5.64 in a huge manner. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $5.94, essentially most extreme 6.36. Least 5.52, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $6.04, certainly most extreme 6.46 in every practical sense, least 5.62 in an exceptionally enormous way. A share vastness value forecast 2023, 2024, 2027, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week a share vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $6.11, by and large most extreme 6.54, kind of least 5.68, or so they especially thought. A share endlessness conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost $6.08, really greatest 6.51, lovely least 5.65 in an unobtrusive way. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $6.12, beautiful greatest 6.55. Truly least 5.69 in a for the most part significant manner. A share boundlessness gauge on Monday, August 14, cost $6.01, exceptionally most extreme 6.43, truly least 5.59 in an unobtrusive way. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $5.70, kind of greatest 6.10, kind of least 5.30 in a sort of enormous manner. In about 14 days a share vastness estimate on Wednesday, August 16, cost $5.81, kind of most extreme 6.22, by and large least 5.40, fundamentally further appearance how the change by and large was 0.0620, 1.02% in a genuinely enormous way. A share endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $5.71. Lovely most extreme 6.11, especially least 5.31, or so they thought. A share endlessness figure on Friday, August 18, cost $5.71, in every way that really matters, greatest 6.11, lovely least 5.31, which is very huge. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $5.79. Extremely greatest 6.20, least 5.38 truly in spite of mainstream thinking. A share boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $5.88, beautiful most extreme 6.29, really least 5.47 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks a share limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, August 23, cost $5.84, beautiful most extreme 6.25, especially least 5.43, which basically is very critical. A share boundlessness estimate on Thursday, August 24, cost $5.97, most certainly greatest 6.39, genuinely least 5.55 in a quite enormous way. A share endlessness cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $5.84, truly greatest 6.25, really least 5.43, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. A share endlessness gauge on Monday, August 28, cost $5.78, kind of most extreme 6.18, beautiful least 5.38, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $5.53, especially greatest 5.92, kind of least 5.14, which in a real sense shows that a share endlessness gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $6.04, most extreme 6.46, least 5.62 in an especially significant way. In about a month, a share endlessness gauge on Wednesday, August 30, cost $6.17. Exceptionally most extreme 6.60, lovely least 5.74, which truly is very critical. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $6.25, kind of greatest 6.69, extremely least 5.81 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. A share boundlessness gauge on Friday, September 1, cost $6.39, extremely greatest 6.84, kind of least 5.94 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Axis today. United States dollars to Axis swapping scale really equivalent to 0.1662 coins per $1. Today's reach, 0.1631, 0.1678, exhibiting that a share boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $5.71, sort of most extreme 6.11, by and large least 5.31 in a sort of significant manner. The past day's nearby, 0.1645, which sort of is very critical, change for now plus 0.0017, plus 1.03% dollar to a share boundlessness conjecture on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.162 coins, really most extreme 0.175, certainly least 0.152, which is very critical. United States dollars to Axis forecast on Friday, August 4, cost 0.165 coins, kind of most extreme 0.177, fundamentally least 0.154 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to a share vastness figure on Monday, August 7, cost 0.168 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.181, least 0.157, exhibiting how today's reach, 0.1631, 0.1678, showing that a share limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $5.71, kind of most extreme 6.11, least 5.31 in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axis expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.166 coins, sort of most extreme 0.178, sort of least 0.155, or so they thought. Binance coin value forecast tomorrow, month in a kind of significant way. In multi-week dollar to a share endlessness estimate on Wednesday, August 9, cost 0.164 coins, sort of most extreme 0.176, exceptionally least 0.153. United States dollars to Axis forecast on Thursday, August 10, cost 0.164 coins, greatest 0.177, exceptionally least 0.154, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to a share boundlessness conjecture on Friday, August 11, cost 0.163 coins, most